we have a ratio question. A is to B is 1 is to 3, and B is to C is 2 is to 5, and they ask you what is A is to C. So A is to B is to C. You just have to write them down. A is to B is 1 is to 3, as shown here. B is to C is 2 is to 5, as shown here. So do you notice something with B? B cannot be 3 and 2 at the same time, right? Like you can only be one thing at one time. You can't be two things at the same time. So we have to make B the same. And the lowest common multiple is actually 6. So to find the lowest common multiple, you can just list out all the multiples. And you realize that the lowest common multiple is actually 6. So we have to make B to be 6. So here, the whole row will times 2. For the second row, the whole row I will multiply it by 3. So what is 1 times 2? You get 2. What is 3 times 2? You get 6. So for second row, 2 times 3 will also give you 6. But now what is 5 times 3? You're right, it gives you 15. So now we have the full ratio. Now we just have to extract out A is to C. So A is to C. So you can see that it's actually 2 is to 15. And hence the answer is 2 is to 15. And that gives us option 3.